In this short video, I'll show you how to connect your phone to your TV wirelessly using different methods that work on most smart TVs. Have you ever wanted to watch your phone's content on a bigger screen but weren't sure how? Many struggle to find the right way to mirror their screen or stream media without cables. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the best wireless methods, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get your phone's display onto your TV. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. If this is your first time watching our videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. Now, let's get started. Screen mirroring allows you to display your smartphone, tablet, or computer screen on a larger display, such as a smart TV, using wireless technology. Depending on your device, you can use Google Chromecast, Miracast, or AirPlay to mirror your screen effortlessly. To start, ensure both your phone and smart TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then for Android users, go to Settings, then select Connection and Sharing or a similar option. Find Cast, Wireless Display, or Smart View, depending on your Android brand, and tap it. Enable it, and your TV should appear in the list of available devices. Then, select your TV, and your phone screen will begin mirroring on the TV. For iPhone users, swipe down to open Control Center. Tap Screen Mirroring and select your Apple TV or AirPlay-compatible smart TV. Your iPhone screen will appear on your TV instantly. If your TV doesn't support screen mirroring, you can use a Chromecast or a Miracast adapter. Simply plug it into your TV's HDMI port, connect it to the same Wi-Fi network, and use the Google Home app to cast your phone screen. If you don't need full screen mirroring but want to stream videos, many apps like YouTube, Netflix, and Disney Plus have a built-in cast button. To use this, open the app on your phone. Look for the cast icon. This is usually a small TV with a Wi-Fi symbol. Tap it and select your TV. Your video will start playing on the TV while your phone remains free for other tasks. This method is perfect for watching movies or YouTube without draining your phone's battery. Some smart TVs support DLNA, allowing you to stream photos, music, and videos stored on your phone. To use this, install a DLNA-supported app like Allcast or WPNP. Make sure your phone and TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open the app, select your TV, and start streaming media directly from your phone. DLNA is useful for media streaming but does not support full screen mirroring like Miracast or Chromecast. Many smart TVs support Bluetooth, but it is not used for screen mirroring. Instead, Bluetooth is mainly for audio devices like headphones, speakers, and game controllers. If your TV supports Bluetooth audio, you can pair your phone to play music or use it as a remote. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now let's continue with the final method. If your TV doesn't support built-in casting, you can use a wireless display adapter like Google Chromecast, Amazon Firestick, or Microsoft Wireless Display Adapter. Simply plug the adapter into your TV's HDMI port, connect it to Wi-Fi, and follow the setup instructions. Then, you can cast your phone screen wirelessly. To explore more Apple product video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.